feel the touch of each other's hands. How does the stone feel under your shoes? Can you hear the rain? More importantly, can you feel your heart beating inside your chest? Now I want you to hold on to this feeling. Put it in your pocket, save it for the rainy days when you both really need it.
Kelly, you are my sun and my moon. I love you because you're driven, strong, and beautiful. You make our team a family, and you always put us first. You see the good in people and are helpful to those that are in need. I love your sense of humor. I love when you are smiling. I love when you're sad. I even love when you're mad. I want to spend my life with you because you give every moment and every day purpose. You love your family and you've always space for more. We would have a puppy for every day of the year if it were up to you.
We've come so far together, supporting each other through steep climbs and overcoming all of the obstacles on the path that led you here.
Matt, you are my soulmate. In some ways, we are completely opposite, but I love the way that we complement each other. I love you because you are the most caring and thoughtful person that I've ever met. I may not tell you this enough, but the little things that you do for me every day mean so much.
I promise to continue to work on myself and us, to continue to find ways to surprise you, to be there for you and to give you a place to feel safe, to find adventures for us, to keep trying to impress you every day. I will make sure that you feel loved. I will learn new things with you. I will grow with you, and I will get old with you. I love you, Kelly.
I want to spend the rest of my life with you because home is truly where you are. I promise to support you the same way that you support me in whatever directions our lives will take us. Whatever challenges lay ahead, I promise to put you first. And I know that we can overcome anything that comes our way. I will always listen to you without judgment, and I will support you in all of your dreams and endeavors. The best day of my life before today was the day that you proposed. I've been so excited for this day, not only because of the beautiful wedding, but mostly because I get to marry you and be able to call you my husband. I love you so much.
Now, upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you as husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.
There's no really better way to start the new year than celebrating your marriage. Congratulations, Kelly and Matt.
The ceremony was beautiful. You make a gorgeous couple.
You guys looked so happy and so great. Kelly, you look absolutely stunning. We are so happy for you guys.
You and I got to be the first to dance around the apple tree in the backyard.
As we stand here together, it brings me joy to say, I'm so glad to be here with you on your wedding day.
So my wish, my hope, my prayer for the two of you is that you have a long, healthy, prosperous, and happy life together.
May her smile be the twinkle of your eyes going forward now and forever.
To Matthew and Kelly, may the light of friendship guide your path together. May the laughter of children grace the halls of your home, and may the joy of living for one another trip the smile from your lips and a twinkle from your eyes. Cheers.
Kelly and Matt.
God bless you both.
Cheers.
Cheers to Kelly and Matt.